I promise I won't waste your time. Just give me a few minutes, because what I'm about to tell you can completely change how you see money, work, and your future. By 2026, the biggest income gap will not be between rich and poor. It will be between people who use AI and people who ignore it. Right now, AI is quietly creating a new class of winners, and most people won't even realize what happened until it's too late. Let me be very clear. In 2026, people making $30,000 per month will not be geniuses, programmers, or people with big offices. They will be normal people who understood one simple rule. AI is not a tool anymore. It is a business partner. The earlier you treat it like one, the faster your life changes. The first AI business dominating 2026 is AI content automation. Every company needs videos, ads, reels, posts, blogs, and emails. But they don't want to hire big teams anymore. With AI, one person can do the work of 10. People are building small agencies that create content using AI tools and charging businesses monthly retainers. This business scales fast because once the system is built, AI does the heavy work while you manage clients. The second powerful AI business is chatbot and AI customer support services. Businesses are tired of missing leads at night, on weekends, and during holidays. AI chatbots now handle sales, bookings, FAQs, and even payments. People who build and sell these systems to businesses are earning recurring income every single month. The beauty is simple. Once installed, the client keeps paying. The third AI business that will explode in 2026 is AI lead generation. Businesses don't want followers or likes, they want customers. AI can now scrape data, analyze behavior, and deliver high-quality leads automatically. People who understand this are selling results, not services. When you bring money to businesses, they never stop paying you. Next comes small AI SaaS tools. You don't need to build the next big software. The smartest people build tiny tools that solve one painful problem and charge monthly. One tool, one solution, one audience. AI now makes development cheaper, faster, and simpler. That's why solo founders are winning. Another silent money machine is faceless AI YouTube channels. AI writes scripts, creates voiceovers, generates visuals, and even edits videos. People run multiple channels without showing their face, earning from ads, affiliates, and digital products. This business rewards consistency, not confidence or camera skills. AI marketing for local businesses is also massively underrated. Most local shops are years behind. They don't understand AI, automation, or online ads. If you bring AI-powered ads, WhatsApp automation, or smart funnels to them, you instantly become valuable. Local businesses pay because AI directly increases their sales. AI research and data services are also growing fast. Companies want insights, trends, competitor analysis, and market predictions. AI can process data faster than any human. People package this information and sell it to companies who need fast decisions. Now listen carefully. The reason 99% of people will not make money from AI is not because AI is hard. It's because they keep learning but never starting. They watch videos, save posts, and wait for the perfect moment. But AI rewards action, not preparation. You don't need money to start. You don't need a team. You don't need permission. You need focus. Pick one AI business model. Ignore the rest. Build one system. Improve it daily. That's how people reach $30,000 per month. AI does not replace humans. Humans using AI replace those who don't. By 2026, excuses will be expensive, time will be more valuable than money, and opportunities will belong to those who moved early. If you are watching this and feeling uncomfortable, that's good. Growth always feels uncomfortable first. If you want improvement, strength, and a real future, support this channel. Subscribe, like, and comment AI. Because I share things that most people realize too late. Time listens, but it never waits.